This is the RTBL4 adjustable height and portable DJ table with folding legs and a 20-inch by 60-inch carry bag. This table is perfect for on-the-go performances for DJs, musicians, especially keyboardists and synth players or anyone who triggers sounds off loops or a computer. It can also be used for on-the-go podcasts, to hold mixers and other gear in a venue, and it can even be used for presenters or panelists that might have multiple laptops or computers. The table is made of 3/4-inch plywood and strong reinforced steel, and the top table is carpeted, which helps to protect your gear from any scratches but also provides a stable surface to work on. The table has a large surface area of 20 inches by 60 inches and has a weight capacity of 180 pounds, so it will be able to fit and hold all of your gear. There is also a port over here where you can run all of your cables through from your gear for a clean cable management setup. The legs on the table are made with square tubing, which is sturdier than round ones. They also fold into the table for easy cleanup and portability. And the legs can extend the height of the table from 26 inches tall to 39.4 inches tall. And it's very easy to extend or collapse the legs with the pull pin locking mechanism on each leg. And once you folded up your table, you can place it in the included carry bag that has a hole for the carry handle to protect the table during transport. This also makes carrying the table from gig to gig much easier to do. The RTBL4 will definitely become your go-to table for performing, whether you are a DJ, musician, podcaster, presenter, and for any other application. So if you're looking for an adjustable height and portable DJ table with folding legs and a 20-inch by 60-inch carry bag, look no further than the RTBL4 from Rockville.